my name is Max. I'm a developer on the Neontra team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a forecast on Neontra. So a forecast is essentially a visualization of your net worth and of your accounts into the future, so you can see how your financial future is going to look. So when you first come to the forecast page, you'll be presented with this pop-up because you haven't yet created a forecast. So we'll go ahead and do that. It's a four-step process to create a forecast. We need a little bit more information than you've given us on the other pages. So we start with savings contributions. You can use these help question marks to help you understand what a savings contribution is. I'm just going to go ahead and add a few for my accounts. I'll say I contribute $200 to my savings account every month and $900 to my retirement account every month. Then you move to growth rates. So you can set growth rates on your assets. Same thing. Use the help check mark to help you understand what to set here. I'll just go ahead and set some growth rates on my assets. My savings account grows at 2% a year. My retirement investments, I'll say, grow at 7% a year. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of get it set up as best you can in these steps. Step 3 is loans. Set the interest rate on any of your loans and also tell us how much you pay monthly for your loan. Again, help us up here if you need it. And then the last step is telling us your retirement date or your expected retirement date. So I'll say I'm going to retire in 2050. And then you create your forecast and you'll see how your net worth is going to change over time. So you can see on the graph that the light blue line is your net worth over time into the future. You can see your net worth grows until you retire and then slowly falls off after retirement due to retirement spending, which we auto-generate for you. You can view individual assets and liabilities just by selecting them. So if you want to just look at your loan, you can select it on its own and see, for example, when you're going to pay off your loan. So selecting individual assets and liabilities at a time is very useful for seeing how your individual accounts look into the future. So that's pretty much it for setting up a forecast. You can play around with all the numbers here, the growth rates on your assets, for example, or the contribution amounts that you're making to various assets or your loan payments. And you can see how that's going to change your financial future. That's pretty much it for setting up a forecast. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.